National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 9:30 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Thomas Point Light, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind, including 42 knots at Holding Point. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, Kent Narrows Bridge, Magacy River, Chester River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Greenberry Point, Love Point, Naval Academy, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, 7-Foot Knoll, Mail and Annapolis. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.